Welcome to Underrate Investor. Today's topic is very important for students as well as for professionals. Can AI replace all available jobs in which students are currently enrolled? Let's find out. It is difficult to predict with certainty which field will not have job replacement due to AI, as the technology is rapidly advancing and changing the nature of work in many industries. However, some fields that are less likely to be completely replaced by AI include those that require a high degree of creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, such as content creation. While AI may be able to automate certain aspects of content creation, such as generating video or written content, it is unlikely to fully replace the creativity and nuance of human creators. Content creation fields such as writing, filmmaking, and music production will likely continue to rely heavily on human input. Healthcare. The healthcare industry requires a high degree of empathy, interpersonal skills, and critical thinking. While AI may assist in diagnosing and treating patients, it is unlikely to replace the human touch required in fields such as nursing, counseling, and physical therapy. Education. Teaching and education involve complex tasks such as motivating and engaging students, assessing learning progress, and adapting to different learning styles. While AI may assist in certain aspects of education, such as providing personalized learning plans or grading assessments, it is unlikely to replace the importance of human teachers in inspiring and guiding students. Overall, fields that require a high degree of creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are less likely to be completely replaced by AI, as these skills are difficult to replicate with technology alone. That's for today's guys. Subscribe Underrate Investor for more updates.